Okay, one more little helpful video for those that need review of some basic stats, the mean, median, mode, and Q1 and Q3. So if I have a set of numbers like, for instance, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 7. First of all, you want to list them from smallest to biggest to be able to get mean, median, mode, and Q1 and Q3. Why from smallest to biggest? Because it helps you to figure out which one is the middle one. All right, so now let's say that I wanted to find the mean. The mean means the average. And the average just means add them all up and divide by however many there are. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 4 makes 12, and 5 is 17, plus another 7 would be 24. And 24 divided by 6 is 4. So the average, the mean, would be 4 in this case. Now, does that happen to be because that number's in the middle? No, that really doesn't matter. You add them all up, divide by how many there are. Now, the median is the middle one. The middle one is, now how do I decide which one's the middle if there is no middle? If I count them, the middle would be right in between these two. So the middle, the median, is 3.5. It's halfway between these two numbers. Technically, it's averaging those two numbers. So find the middle two, and if there isn't one that's exactly in the middle, take those middle two and average them. So in this case, median is 3.5. Next one's the mode. The mode is whichever number happened the most. And in this case, there's 2 3s where all the other ones only had 1. Whichever number happens the most is the mode. If there's a tie, then it's sometimes called bimodal, and there's 2 modes. Like if I had had another 7 at the end here, they would have both been modes. 3 and 7 would have been. But with my existing data set, I only have 1 mode, and it is 3. And now Q1 and Q3. They are used to make a box plot, usually, and here's how you find them. This is the lower half of the data. Q1 is the middle of the lower half of the data. The middle number here is 3. So the Q1 would be 3. And Q3 is the middle of the upper half of the data. So once you get them all lined up, you find the middle of the upper half of the data, that one right there, that would be Q3. Why Q1 and Q3? Technically, what you're doing is this one, the middle, is Q2. So Q1, Q2, and Q3, Q2 being the middle or the median, they help you make a box plot. So my Q3 then, like I showed here, is 5 for this data set. And if I were to make a box plot, it would roughly look like this. And the end numbers are my smallest and my biggest, my min and my max. This is a 2, this is a 7. And then Q1 goes right here. And in this case, that was 3. Q3 goes right here. In that case, this is 5. And our middle, our median, was 3.5. So that was like here. And that was our median. This is Q1, this is Q3, this is our median, which was at 3.5. Okay, that's the basics of a box plot and some basic stats for you.